Today, I'm going to introduce you to our facility. We're going to do a little walkthrough and show you everything you need to know. Come. So this is our reception desk, where you're always going to be greeted with a smile. So we've got our male and female changing rooms where you'll find shower facilities, hair dryers and everything you need if you've done that workout before work. And then you go onto our gym floor. So downstairs we have our pin loaded and some heavy duty plate loaded kit. We've also got lots of adjustable benches as well in our free weight section. So upstairs we've got even more to show you. We've got our even bigger glute and leg area with some really cool specialist glute kit. Then we've got our cardio area, we've got our treadmills, our Stairmasters, our spin bikes. And this is our functional space where our classes take place. Thank you for choosing Trans4orm. If you have any questions about anything, please don't hesitate to let the front desk know through our social media or also reaching out to us on email via memberships@trans4orm.co.uk.